Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So today we're in my dining room again. Being that I got a lot of stuff for the kitchen or for the house, but anyway, let's get into it in no particular order. I picked up some daylight light bulbs from Dollar Tree, and they're the like natural daylight lighting. I got two of those. Some light bulbs in the bathrooms have already gone out. I was looking for the chargers that were finished like that faux wood finish at my Dollar Tree, but they never had it. So I settled with this one. It looks kind of like copper, like a hammered metal. It's a little brighter in the camera than it is, but I got that. I picked up 6 for my dining for Thanksgiving and Christmas. And then speaking of Christmas, I've hauled these before, but I'm down to 3 glasses now from Christmas. My husband loves these glasses, so I'm glad that they had the same pattern. So I picked up 6 of these. So that can stay here. Okay. Another thing for the kitchen, they have these cinnamon sticks. They're Baker's Select. I'm not using it for baking. This will be in a DIY. I'm gonna leave that there. I found some comfy socks. I got the pink, multicolor pink, and 1 set of those. And I found the purple with pink, and these are like the boot socks. So I picked that up in the purple and then in the pink again. I mean, I really love purple, but you know, look at these colors, it's so pretty. So I picked those up. I also picked up the little 25 mini candy canes just for Happy Mail. I got that. Excuse me. Another thing I found, this little penguin. It winds up and it hobbles around. So I got one of those. And then I found these, and I will put this in my guest bathroom with the little hand towel that I hauled from Dollar Tree a while ago. So I put that on my mirrors. Excuse me. I picked up the little Christmas trees for the miniatures. Now they had the houses, but honestly I'm not a fan of the plastic houses, so I left it. I'm more of the ceramic. I picked up 2 of the Whack-A-Packs, and I love putting this in Happy Mail. Just the little balloons. So I got 2 of those. And being that I make the diaper cakes, Dollar Tree had these. That's the first time I've seen them. Can you guys see that? I'm sorry. There you go. They had the blue and the pink little baby pacifiers. They're just the decoration, they're not real. So I picked those up. Excuse me. My gosh, I just ate. So I found one of the, well, there was a whole display of the handmade cards, but I saw them and I was like, I think I have those in my stash for Christmas. But this one was different. It's all the different kind of hats. There's 3 of them here that are dimensional. So very cute. So I grabbed that. That was the only card I picked up. And then I found these case for, like, you know, nails and stuff. So obviously I'm not hauling it for the nails. I just wanted to show you this little container. Look at this. I'm gonna put these nails with the rest of my other nails. But this little, oh, it's taped. This little container is so cute. I was looking for the workbench, the one everybody uses for the embellishment swaps, but they didn't have it. They were all out, so I'll have to dig in my stash because I know I have some. I just couldn't find it. I was hoping Dollar Tree had some, but look at these little compartments. It's so cute, perfect for little embellishments. So I'm just gonna take all these nails out of there and put them with my other nail stash. I'm gonna use this container for a swap that I'm doing. Again, in the kitchen. Of course, I hauled 2 of my half and half. I love, 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 love this tea. Half lemonade, half iced tea. Okay, the last bag. Sorry for the noise. I grabbed 2 of the glitter, they call it glitter drape, but it used to be a snow blanket. So I grabbed 2 of those. We're having a party, so I'm gonna cover up some of the table with that. And I grabbed these little stars, red and gold. These are for Happy Mail also. And then in the house, more of the kitchen towels. I did not see the oven mitts. I'm thinking that they had just pulled these out because not everything was filled in the display. So I just grabbed the 2 hand towels because I didn't want to disturb the employees. There were so many boxes everywhere. More for Happy Mail again. I got pink, and then this is like a pink, orange, and like a brown color. I don't know. But that was the first time I've seen that combination, so I just grabbed it. Because I can use it pretty much for Happy Mail. They had these in the floral section. I hauled the medium size and the smaller size. And this is the 14 millimeter. So I grabbed 2 of those. They were in the floral section. I was surprised that they were there because usually you don't see it in that aisle. Usually you'll find them in where all the craft supplies are. And then this was just hanging off of one of those little strips. They had 34 straws, and there's this like mint or teal, or I don't know what color that is, but I got that mainly for this color, but this also for Halloween for like next year. So I grabbed those. I did grab 1 bag of the faux snow. That's for embellishments, for shakers. I really did want to find a mini stocking, but I didn't like the quality, the way it looked. So I grabbed this one. It's got the like burlap type fabric on top, and then you have the felt on the back. And I love the plaid. That'll be really cute for my swap. I think what I'll do is probably just either shrink it or use it as is. It depends if I have enough time. And then I grabbed this one, which is also like that faux burlap. But I really do love the plaid that they used, and they used felt here, and the star is also felt. And you know, you can embellish more to these stockings. It looks very plain Jane, but once you know, mess with it, it'll look awesome. And then these were the last 2 white Christmas trees. So I grabbed this. I did want to combine it, like put it together to make it into one tree. So that was also for, you know, decorations around the house. And then I grabbed one side, and this mainly for the shape of the sleigh. Sled, what do you call this? They call it decor. But yeah, I mean, it's a cute little sign, so I'm either gonna use it as is and just hang it up like in where my son, my 10-year-old hangs out, or I might do something else to it. I mean, who knows? I might embellish, but we'll see. And that is it, guys, for my haul. Thank you for joining me. Please give this video a thumbs up and come back for more of my craft videos. I'm gonna be working on more of my projects for the swap, and I hope you guys come back and join me. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.